Hey, good day. Now we will try to solve rational equations. Okay? So, for example, let us find the value of x in x plus 3 over 9 is equal to 1 half. For this, I would like to rewrite this equation. So, again, this is a rational equation. X plus 3 over 9 is equal to 1 half. So, with this, I would like to remove this denominator in an appropriate way. So maybe I could perform multiplying both sides of an equation with their LCM. Okay, so the LCM of 9 and 2 will be 18. So that will be x plus 3 over 9 is equal to 1 half. Multiply both sides of the equation by 18. So this will be 18x plus 3 over 9 is equal to 18 multiplied by 1 over 2. Okay, so simplifying, this will be 18 divided by 9 will be 2. X plus 3 is equal to 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, so 2x plus 3, so this will be 2x plus 6 is equal to 9. So transfer this positive 6 to the other side of the equation. So this will be 2x is equal to 9 minus 6. So 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 over 2. Although there is another technique, if you are having this kind of an equation, so x plus 3, so I could do cross multiplication here. So x plus 3 multiplied by 2 and 9 times 1. So cross multiplication. So this will be 2 x plus 3 is equal to 9 times 1. So this will be 2x plus 6 is equal to 9. 2x is equal to 9 minus 6. X is equal to 3 over 2. Okay. So let us find the value of x in this equation. So this equation, we would like to remove all the denominators by multiplying both sides of the equation with their LCM. Okay, so the LCM of x plus 3 and x minus 3 and x squared minus 9. So maybe I could simplify first this x squared minus 9. So I think I would like to factor this out. Okay. Okay. So when I factor out x squared minus 9, that could be x, that is x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Okay. So with this, I could easily identify their LCM. So this is x plus 3 and x minus 3. So I need to multiply both sides of the equation by x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay? So this will be x. So x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 and x minus 3 divided by x plus 3 is x minus 3. So this will be x minus 3 minus, okay, so 1 and x minus 3 and x plus 3. So I need to multiply this expression with x plus 3 and x minus 3. So this will give me 1 and x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 3, so this will be 1. So this will be x squared minus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to 1. So this will be x squared minus 4x minus 3. So I think I need to transfer this out to the other side of the equation. Minus 1 is equal to 0. X squared minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I need to find the value of x. Okay, so when we are given this kind of equation, how to identify the value of x? Maybe I could use the quadratic formula because this equation is a quadratic equation. So let us recall what is a quadratic formula. So our x will be equal to negative b, positive negative b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so all the roots can be identified in this equation, given that the equation is in this form: x squared minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I need to identify all the a. So in this equation, our a is 1, our b, so this is 1, b is negative 4, and c is equal to negative 4. So I need to substitute all the values to this equation. So let us find first x sub 1, the first root. So this could be negative b. Negative b is negative 4, so that will be 4. So I'll be using the plus sign first. Plus b squared minus 4ac. b squared is negative 4 squared minus 4. A is 1. And c is also negative 4. All over 2 times 1. Okay, so 4 plus square root of negative 4 squared is 16, minus negative 4 multiplied by negative 4 is positive 4. So, I'm sorry, positive 16 I mean, positive 16 over 2. So this will be 4 plus square root of 32 over 2. So I need to simplify this 32. So 32, I think I should think of two numbers. One must be a perfect square. So 32, a perfect square, is 16 multiplied by 2 over 2. So this will be 4 plus 4 square root of 2 over 2, which is also equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Okay, so we will be having two value of x's, and one value of x is 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Now let us find the other value of x. Okay, so when we want to find the value of the other x, we must use the other operation. So the first is a positive sign. Now we will be using the negative sign. Okay, so I think I need to use other colors. I would like to write blue. So x, the second root, x is equal to negative 4, our b, so that will be negative of negative 4 is positive 4, minus b squared, so that will be negative 4 squared, minus 4ac, 4 times 1 and negative 4, all over 2a, which is 1. Okay, so 4 minus this, I think there is a squared here, so this is 16 minus plus 16 over 2 is equal to 4 minus 32 over 2. So this will be 4, 16 and 2 over 2. So this will be 4 minus 4 square root of 2 over 2, and simplify it, this will be 2 minus 2 square root of 2. So we get the correct answer. So there will be two value of x here because this is, we are dealing here with a quadratic equation. Okay, so last example is a worded problem. So in a certain MOBA, there is a certain game here that and I play this specific character and has one of 15 out of 30 games using the same character. So if we would like to identify my win rate given this situation, my win rate is equal to 15 over 30 because I won 15 games out of 30 games multiplied by 100%. So that will give me 50%. Now, the situation here, the situation we would like to deal here is that how many games I should win in a row. So there must be a winning streak to improve my win rate to 50%. Okay. So I would like to improve my game. I would like to improve my win rate to 75%. Okay? So we must analyze this situation. So my win rate should be 75%. So which is 100% multiplied by number of games won over the number of games played. Okay, so apparently I have here 15 wins over 30 games. Okay, so I would like to know how many games I need to win in a streak in a row. So how many winning games I should add to 15 to improve my win rate of from 50 to 75. And the effect of effect on this will also be added to the number of games played, because for every game I win, I also add the number of games I played. Okay, so this will be our equation. So maybe I would like to remove the percentage unit here. So this will be 0.75 is equal to 15 plus x over 30 plus x. Okay, so this will be 0.75, 30 plus x is equal to 15 plus x. So we would like to distribute this one. So 0.75 times 30 is equal to 22.5 plus 0.75x is equal to 15 plus x. So I would like to combine like terms. So this will be 22.5. So I need to move here and move this other side. 22.5 minus 15 is equal to x minus 0.75x. 22.5 minus 15 is 7.5. X minus 0.75x is 0.25x. So this value of x is equal to 30. Okay. So it means that I need to win 30 games in a row. 30 games in a row. So for me to improve my win rate to 75%, so this will be 60. So 15 plus 30 is 45 divided by 60, and 45 divided by 60 is 0.75 or 75%. Okay, thank you.